closely at this math problem. You have 3 seconds to solve it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Time up. Your answer was 22, right? Yes, I can almost hear the confidence through the screen. You probably did half times 2 and then you got 1. So you got 15 minus 5 divided by 1 plus 12. Then you divided and you add 15 minus 5 plus 12. Then you said 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 plus 12 is 22. If this is how you solved it, then you are wrong. Why? Why is this wrong? And what is the correct way to solve it? This question looks innocent, but it exposes a mistake almost everyone makes because the numbers feel easy. But math does not reward what feels it easy. It rewards those who follow the rules. So what is the rule that we are supposed to apply? We are to apply the PEMDAS rule. And this means parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. But the fact that multiplication appeared before division does not mean that you have to multiply before you divide, because multiplication and division, they are on the same hierarchy, and addition and subtraction are also on the same hierarchy. That means that whenever multiplication and division appear in a question, you solve from left to right. Same thing is applicable to addition and subtraction. You solve from left to right. If division appears first, you divide before you multiply. If multiplication appears first, you multiply before you divide. Now, let's solve this the right way. If you look at this now, you realize that the first operation we have is negative, and that is the last one. So the next one is division, and then multiplication and addition. Since division appears before multiplication, then we have to divide before we multiply. So let's rewrite this to have 15, then minus. So here now we will use the keep, change, flip rule. Whenever you are dividing a fraction, you use the keep, change, flip rule. That is, you keep the first number, you change the operation from division to multiplication, and then you flip the fraction. So we'll flip this fraction from 1/2 to 2/1. So 1/2 becomes 2. So now let's rewrite the question to be 15 minus 5. Then once we use the keep, change, flip rule here, this becomes times 2, then times 2, and then plus 12. Now that we've eradicated division from the question, we have multiplication now. We have to multiply before we subtract or add. So now we have 15 minus 5 times 2 gives 10, and 10 times 2 gives 20. So we have 5 minus 20 plus 12. Now we are left with subtraction and addition. Do not forget that I said when addition and subtraction appear together, you solve from left to right. So now let's solve from left. That means we subtract first. When we subtract 15 minus 20, we get -5. Then we have -5 plus 12. So this is the same thing as 12 minus 5. And we get what as the answer? We get 7, which is the correct answer. So the correct answer for this question is 7 and not 22. So let me know if you got this in the comments, or if you got 22. Now it's your turn. Try this. Solve 22. No, solve 24 divided by 3/4 minus 8 plus 2. 24 divided by 3/4 minus 8 plus 2. When you find your answer, drop it in the comments. Let's see who truly understands both golden rule, both the PEMDAS and the KCF rules. If you enjoy this breakdown, like this video and subscribe for more math breakdown like this. See you in the next video.